Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize machine learning models with Google, full guide step by step clearly. Start by defining the problem you want to solve with your machine learning model. Collect and clean your dataset to ensure quality and relevance. Explore the data to understand its structure and identify any patterns or correlations. Split your dataset into training, validation, and test sets for a proper evaluation of your model. Choose an appropriate machine learning framework, such as TensorFlow or PyTorch. Select a model architecture that fits the nature of your data and problem. Begin training your model using the training set, applying suitable algorithms. Monitor the model's performance on the validation set to avoid overfitting. Tune hyperparameters to optimize the model's performance. Utilize tools like Google Cloud AutoML or tuning to automate hyperparameter optimization. Assess the model's final performance using the test set to ensure its generalization. Implement techniques like cross-validation to further validate the model's robustness. Consider using ensemble methods to improve accuracy and reduce variance. Utilize Google Cloud resources for scalable processing and storage when needed. Deploy the optimized model to a production environment using Google AI Platform or similar services. Continuously monitor the model post-deployment for performance drift and refactor as necessary. Document the entire process for future reference and team collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.